Construction market growth has been simply dramatic.
Today, we have a very high-strength concrete.
The construction in the 10 last year still is like this, and concrete is winning.
One of the biggest things that challenges steel and high-rise building design is high-performance concrete. In the 1960s and 70s, concrete was not utilized very well because of the architects were not interested in it, too massive, but today is no longer the case. It has high strength, high modulus of elasticity, mass, damping, moldability, and we can pump it all the way up to 600 meters without a problem.
Concrete industry made a lot of innovation. The steel industry made less innovation during the same time. There is a lack of steel in the world, so we cannot deliver steel to all of our customers everywhere, and sometimes customers have to choose concrete.
I was involved in developing the design concept of the Burj Dubai. When we went to Dubai, we were pleasantly surprised at the high quality of concrete. And as we started developing the structural system of the building, concrete lended itself perfectly.
We are delivering steel to the Burj Dubai high-rise tower, which, as you know, will be soon the tallest building in the world. So our steel will form the steel elements coming right on top of the tower, which will be practically sitting on top of the world. Biggest advantage that steel has is that you don't need to construct it at site. You can bring the structure and all you do at site is to erect it. This is the construction site of the Index Tower in Dubai. What you see here is a fabricated steel element. The entire 90-ton truss will be lifted in one operation to be fitted at the 30th floor. So this is really a critical member because it is carrying all the load of the next 50 floors.
In the new emerging country, the skills is more involved in concrete industry. We have to increase the skills of the construction companies in these countries. But this is a long-term objective.
The US market is a very good market for rolled beam section. Basically, the engineer specified a lot this kind of product. Over there, we have the Ernst & Young headquarters. Here on the left side, you can see the One Bryant Park with our 4,000 tons of jumbos. These two towers over there are the Time Warner AOL building. We have about 6,500 tons of jumbo in this two structure. The beam we provide for the Freedom Tower was the heaviest beam that you can find on the market with the biggest strength. For the whole structure of the building, we anticipate another 10,000 tons of jumbos.
The Freedom Tower is the tallest tower in the United States, and as such, it has a huge demand on the columns, and we needed to use those jumbo shapes because of their capacity. Also, they occupy a small footprint that was, necessary for the design.
Composite construction is the effective combination of steel and concrete, and certainly for high-rise buildings, it gets the best out of both materials in achieving overall efficiency.
Many of the countries around Mediterranean area, the traditional construction material is concrete. Ductility is provided through steel. Together, they form a ductile structure which will respond favorably against earthquakes.
The steel gives a lot of freedom to the architect, give them a lot of transparency in their design.
450,000 square meters, that's a big building. 234 meters tall, and the towers actually incline in two directions at about 60 degrees. Through the use of steelwork, we are indeed achieving new heights and shapes which push the boundaries.
If the architectural community keep going in that direction, we will see more and more structural steel use.